unlock the secret to irresistible navigation on your WordPress newspaper site, guiding your readers effortlessly to every story. Today, we're diving deep into designing effective menus for your WordPress newspaper website, transforming that potentially overwhelming content into a reader's best friend. A well-crafted menu isn't just for show. It's the backbone of a great user experience, ensuring visitors can find exactly what they're looking for without breaking a sweat. First things first, let's head into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and then click on the Menus option. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to structuring your site's navigation. You'll want to start by creating a new menu. Give it a descriptive name, something like Main Navigation or Header Menu. So you know exactly which one you're working with. Then hit that Create Menu button. Now look to your left. This area is your menu building playground. You can add pages, posts, custom links, or even entire categories to your menu for a newspaper site. Categories are your superpower for organizing different sections like politics, sports, or business. Let's try adding some categories. Click on Categories, expand the list, and select the ones that represent your main content pillars. Hit Add to Menu, and you'll see them appear on the right side. Organization is key. You can easily rearrange your menu items by simply dragging and dropping them. Want to create a submenu, like a local news section under Politics? Just drag the item slightly to the right, indent it under its parent. This creates a hierarchical structure that's super easy for readers to digest. Continue this process, adding your most important pages and categories. Think about what your readers will be looking for most often for a newspaper, including links to your About Us, Contact, and even a subscription page can be highly beneficial. Once you're happy with the structure, it's time to tell WordPress where this menu should appear. Scroll down to the menu settings. Most newspaper themes give you a primary menu location, which is typically displayed at the top of your website. Select that option. Finally, hit Save Menu. Now, when you visit your website, you'll see your beautifully crafted navigation ready to welcome your readers and guide them seamlessly through your content. A well-designed menu empowers your users and elevates your entire publication.